Yeah. As for my people now, Mona, welcome to my channel, Code Naija, where I go dey teach una .NET for better Pidgin English where everybody go fit understand. Man, omo, I know say to learn code no fit be wahala, especially when everybody na oyibo dey talk. But for here, omo, we go break am down small small with the real life wahala wey we dey face for Naija, like bad network, NEPA, no data, omo, even the politics bad. But you go learn to code. You go build .NET with C sharp. You fit no understand wetin I dey talk now, but we go do am together. You understand? So if you wan sabi .NET wella, .NET na wetin dey dey take do back end and even front end. You fit build website for this our new modern world where everybody wan chop software money. So if you wan build .NET wella, abeg make you hit that subscribe button, and if you like wetin you dey see, share am with your guys. Na me be Prof Ele, dey call me Prof for this channel. We go dey coach, we go dey learn, and we go dey laugh together. Make we go there.